Hello, guys. It has been a long week thus far, and it is only Wednesday. I just got home from work. I don't know if you can tell, but there's some black dark underneath my eye. Tells you how tired I am. I would love to go to sleep right now. It's only 6:10 p.m. as you can see right here. Whoops. It's only 6:10, and I feel exhausted. It's been a really long week at work. I do work at a manufacturing setting, uh, very high production, Sherwin-Williams. Sure, you've heard of the company. Um, man. Anyway, let's get on to today's topic. Today, I want to talk about my first reinvestment from just interest payments. So today would be the 12th day, I believe. Let's go ahead and count. I'll show you just to make sure. Lending wallet transactions. Here on the 17th, I did my $100 investment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 days. If you include the day that I made the initial investment, it's 13. But I'm just going to do day 12 of investment payments. Now, we did go through quite a slump, I guess you'd say. Like there was 5 days in a row where it didn't get anywhere near 1. Like this 8.84 was as high as it got. I can't remember. I think Bitcoin was just riding. It was just setting still. And then it jumped up to 10K the past 3 days, and we've been getting over $1. So that's been really good. Speaking of which, Bitcoin is $10,000, over $10,000 now. Hit quite a milestone. I see it actually held its own. It consolidated right here. It started to dip, and then it went back up. I mean, I believe it's pretty neat. However, Bitcoin went up almost 1%. Meanwhile, all the altcoins, man, I just keep scrolling. Look, I just keep scrolling. I'll go back up. Like, look at all that red. Everything dipped when Bitcoin started to dip, but then it caught back. Man, Bitcoin Cash really took a beating there. Ethereum went down. It's a good time to buy back into Ethereum. Litecoin went down. I have some of Litecoin. I'm actually going to buy more Litecoin while it's down. Neo went down. I've been seeing a lot of people making Neo videos. I don't know. I think I'm going to stick with Bitconnect for now. I'm just rambling. Bitconnect did go down, but only 3.5. It's starting. It looks like it's going back up. That's fine. Which it's been at 270 forever. 270 to 300. I think that's okay. Let's go ahead and do my reinvestment. The very first one. Let's go ahead and go to dashboard. Excuse me. Reinvest, and we're going to take, so it's 10, we're going to take it all, plus leftover amount will be 64 cents. Total is going to be a $10 reinvestment, and we're going to reinvest this. Of course, it's going to be locked in for 299 days, and interest will be credited to the account daily. Now, I'm going to go ahead and confirm this, and I successfully reinvested it. So that is reinvested. Let's go ahead and scroll down just to make sure. Let's actually refresh, excuse me. So now you can see this reinvest of $10, right? So total investment went up $10. That's pretty nice. Total profit has been $10.64 after 12 days. And again, I'm going off of that chart. Let me go ahead and pull it up. Little spreadsheet. Let me go ahead and shut the door as well because the wife's about to walk in. She doesn't yell. Tell me to hush. Alright, I'm going to show you the spreadsheet that I'm going by here. And it's actually pretty accurate. Like it had me projected to make $10 from that $100 investment in 14 days, I believe. Let's go ahead and look at it. 9/5. Yeah, look, actually 11 days. So it took a day extra. Okay. So a day extra on the, instead of the 11th day, it was the 12th day. That's fine. The next day should be from 12 to 21, so it should be 9 days. See, it's getting shorter. And it may be 1 day longer. It just depends on the volatility of Bitcoin, which it did move a little bit today. And then the next one will just be 7 days, 8 days. After that, it gets about the same here, looks like, and then it gets shorter. That is a 7 day, once a week, looks like. And it gets even shorter around day 90, 91, 92. It's every 4 or 5 days. That is the chart I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm super excited about Bitcoin. It's looking like it's under 10 now. It'll go back up though. Look at that. There's my first reinvestment. By the way, be sure to join my Facebook page, and you can join the Discord where we can discuss things verbally, or you can just comment on the videos here as well, or start a discussion on the Facebook page. Let's see what else. Oh, I want to show you how to get free Bitcoin at this website, freebitco.in, and I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. All you have to do is type this in, TDKYQN. I do this every day. Once an hour you get enrolled, and this is all organic. Here is your reward points. Once you get to 3,200 reward points, you can redeem that for 1,000% bonus on your free rolls for 24 hours. Pretty neat. This is my documentary though. That's my first reinvestment. Pretty exciting. Can't wait to do the next one, and then gradually get to every day doing a $10 reinvestment. So yeah, hope to see you there. Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe, and join me on this documentary of my journey with Bitconnect.